Hola!
Hola!
Greetings from Argentina. My name is Martin.
And I'm Melina,
We are brother and sisters.
hermanos. And in this video, we're going to share with you the top 15 essential words in Spanish for everyday life.
Let's go!
Vamos.
Vamos!
Agua.
Water.
Yo tomo agua todos los días.
I drink water every day. ¿Te puedo pedir un vaso de agua?
Can I ask you for a glass of water?
Comida.
Food.
Me encanta la comida argentina.
I love Argentinian food. Another example could be, todos los días preparo comida casera.
Every day I prepare homemade food.
Baño.
Bathroom.
¿Dónde está el baño?
Where is the bathroom?
Él está en el baño. He is in the bathroom. Niña o niño. Niña is for the female version of child. Niño, masculine version. So we could say,
Estamos buscando al niño perdido.
we are looking for the missing child. Es más fácil ser niña que adulta.
It's easier to be a little girl than an adult. Chico.
Chico means boy or small. Example,
El chico va a la escuela.
the boy goes to school. Or, mi auto es muy chico.
My car is very small.
So for chica is very similar. Can be girl or small. An example could be, la chica juega al fútbol.
The girl plays football.
Or, mi remera está chica.
My shirt is small. Hombre.
Man.
Tarzán es el hombre de la jungla.
Tarzan is the man of the jungle.
Another example would be cuidado, hombres trabajando. Warning, men at work.
Mujer.
Woman.
Yo soy una mujer inteligente. I am a smart woman.
Yes, you are.
Me encanta estar con mujeres. I love being around women. Sorry.
Colectivo.
Bus.
Me voy a tomar el colectivo para ir a visitarte.
I'm going to take the bus to go visit you, right?
Right. Another example would be el colectivo me deja en la estación central.
The bus leaves me at the central station.
Perfecto.
Auto.
Car.
Nosotros vamos en auto.
We are going by car.
Mi auto está roto.
My car is broken.
Avión.
Airplane.
Me encanta viajar en avión.
I love to travel by airplane.
Mira qué alto está ese avión.
Look how high is that airplane. Yes, it is.
It is.
Tren.
Train.
Saquen sus boletos, el tren se va.
Get your tickets. The train is leaving.
Viajar en tren es la manera más ecológica de viajar.
Traveling by train is the most environmental friendly way of traveling.
Casa.
Home or house.
Bienvenida a mi casa.
Welcome to my home.
Mi casa está cerca del río.
My house is near the river.
Perfecto.
Ventana.
Window.
Cerrá la ventana, está haciendo frío.
Close the window, it's getting cold. Puerta.
Door. Knock knock, or I should say toc toc.
Pasá, la puerta está abierta. Come in, The door is open. I hope you guys enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to give us a thumb up and subscribe to our channel for more information about language learning.
See you next time. Thanks for watching.
Hasta pronto.
Ciao.
Ciao.
With Lingopie, you can pick up slangs, useful phrases, pronunciation, and improve your vocabulary while watching TV. So click the link under this video to access a free 7-day trial which provides access to all Lingopie features.
You can stream more than 1,500 shows in multiple languages. Sign up for the private classes with tutors, use dual subtitles, flashcards, quizzes, and much more.